Hello, today I'm very excited because I want to talk to you about Waterdrop. It's a brand, an e-commerce shop that sells like water drinking cubes, flavored water cubes. I don't know how to describe it best. Basically, it's cubes like this, you put into the water, and then the water tastes like iced tea or berries, or it turns into like an electrolyte drink or a vitamin drink. And I think Waterdrop is doing an amazing job in terms of just having an e-commerce brand on a lot of aspects, like social media as well, community, referral program, cross-selling, upselling, optimizing their store, utilizing tactics like scarcity and urgency. And I want to just show you a few examples of what they are doing, because I think it's a great example for any e-commerce store. So the first one is cross-selling and upselling. I think they're doing an amazing job at that. And don't ask me how much money I've spent on their shop. I've spent quite a high amount. So you add something to the cart. This pop-up pops up instantly, so you can just check out in like 2 steps, which is super quick and super efficient. And here you have a few items in a basket. And if you spend a little bit more, like, okay, here it says I get 2 goodies already because I'm spending $120, but let me remove something. And let me remove something again. Here. If I just want to buy one thing, it says to me, okay, you can do that, but you could also get a free flavor sample if you spend $20 more. Or you can also get a brush for your bottle if you spend a little bit more. And also, you may also like these cubes or these flavors. And I'm like, oh yeah, iced tea, of course. I'm gonna add an iced tea pack to my cart. Okay, you see, I'm already at 55. Well, it doesn't make sense for me to not get a flavor sample. I'm just gonna add something more. Okay, and it adds up. So that is the cross-selling and upselling that they're doing, and I think they're doing a great job at that. You can just add something for free to your cart. And I think it feels amazing as a consumer. And for them, it's great because you're spending more. So also sometimes they have like even greater upgrades, like you can get a water bottle, and then you're like, oh, I have the flavor cubes, of course I'm going to get a water bottle. I don't know. I think they're doing an amazing job at that. And there is also the second thing is their rewards club, like Waterdrop Club reward system. If you sign up, you get 15% off, and then you also receive some welcome points. And then every time you leave a review, or you have your birthday, or you participate in a giveaway, or you refer a friend, you get a lot of points. And with these points, you can get gifts. And yeah, I'm also part of this program. It's super easy to get points. Like you can make an order and then you already have enough points to order something else, plus get a free bottle with your points. So it motivates people to buy a lot more, I think, that they would without the points system, reward system. And like I had so many Waterdrop bottles, I was just starting to like give them away to people like as gifts, and people are happy, and basically it feels like I didn't spend the money on it, even though I did, of course, because of their point system. So it feels amazing. I'm spreading the word because I have too many Waterdrop things, so I'm gifting them to others. So if you can implement some sort of point system in your shop, I think that would really increase the conversion rate of people and also repeat customers. That's the main thing of why they even created this program, I'm sure. So another thing is they're really great at partnering up with influencers and influencers that really align with their brand. So for example, I think this first one was a basketball player. I'm not really a sporty type, but they collaborated with this guy, Novak, and created a whole line with him. Sometimes they also create bottles with motifs created by the influencer, or flavor packs And it's just incredible because he aligns with the brand a lot. He's all into, sports, nutrition, healthy drinks, performance. So it's just an amazing partnership. And I think they have really nailed the positioning here and the exclusivity of this whole range. And great job on this one. What they also do is they're great at adding small kind of nudges of urgency and scarcity. So for example, let's see, this is a special deal. If you miss that, you might need to pay full price. And right now it's 25% off. And to be honest, I've never been on their website and there has been any kind of promotion. So they're doing a great job at that. Also, if you're part of the referral program, you get, every time you visit the website, if you visit the website every day, you get points. So that is, I think, another insane way a very smart way to bring people to your website every day to check, there's something new, a new promotion, a new product. Also, for example, here it's sold out. So you're like, if I don't buy, then the flavor that I want to get will be sold out. So it's cool that they show, okay, we are popular enough. We're not just having all sales all the time. I think they're doing a great job. They have a lot of trust elements embedded across the website as well. What the community says, UGC images, Instagram images. Their Instagram is huge as well. I think it's very impressive. And just as a side note, their TikTok has 4.8 million views. And they're posting very much native, fun, entertaining content, but also some educational content like creating drinks and stuff like that. So I think this is really a brand that every e-commerce owner, every e-commerce marketer should take a look at for inspiration, because I could not say more amazing things about them. Also check out their newsletter and like their emails in general. The sequences are very convincing, very top-notch visuals, everything, branding is always on point. So take a look. This video is getting a bit long, so I'm gonna wrap it up. But if you want to learn more like tactics like these, cross-selling, upselling, conversion rate optimization, reward systems, how to convert more customers, more viewers into buyers, then I'm actually launching something very exciting on Monday. And it's a 280 point, 280 plus tactics checklist for e-commerce stores to optimize your conversion rate. And I think, it's going to be a free resource and I'm going to launch it. So if you would like a link, then just comment below checklist and I will inform you when we launch. Thank you very much and have a lovely Friday and weekend. Bye bye.